In front of us we have one of St. Louis's busiest highways, Highway 40 in Ladue. And right there on the outskirts of this is the entrance to the section where the residents of Ladue have the right to bring in mixed brush or bagged leaves Monday through Friday, as shown here.
Where they take municipal brush and mulch and run it through the Williams 60 KS Hog, where it produces a fine mulch material for the residents of the community. The mulch is gathered by the various crews. They have several options of methods of feeding it to the hog. They can take their mulch, they can take their brush and put it through the chipper, where it is direct chipped and thrown directly into the hopper of the 60 KS. Goes through the mill and is air conveyed via the blast pan through the material handling fan and out the nozzle, where it collects on the ground. This is some of the finished mulch material. It's a nice, fine, even product. They let this mulch age for a period of several weeks before they distribute it to the residents. This is a 200 horsepower motor, direct connected via coupling to the 60 KS Hog. It is running in a counterclockwise position.
All right.
Feed is controlled by a Williams Model E feed control panel. It is a fully automatic panel. Once the system is on, they can set their percentage of motor load set points, and the feeder panel will control the in-feed conveyor and vary it according to the horsepower demand of the motor of the 60 KS.
So right now they've got the conveyor turning on and off at about 60%.
About 60%, that's right. Some of the cutoff logs that they put through the 60 KS, they're a bit short for the chipper's grapple to handle and pull into the chipper. And these pieces they'll load on the conveyor and they'll go into the 60 KS for shredding.
All right, Dave, would you show me what we're going to feed first?
First, we're going to start feeding some of this brush, which they've collected from the community, and their chipper will grab it with the grapple, and it is fed into the feeding mechanism of the chipper, blown out the nozzle and into the inlet of the hopper through this auxiliary opening to the hopper. you see some local landscaping contractors working for residents here at the City of Ladue, offloading some garden waste, brush, leaves, that type of thing. They'll offload it over there, and it will also be fed into the 60 KS to produce mulch for the residents.
Does it cost them anything to bring it in?
The mulch is provided free to the residents of the City of Ladue. The residents have the right to come and call the Superintendent of Public Works to request a load of mulch, and it will either be delivered or they can come and pick it up in their own vehicle. From the area where the discharge from the 60 KS, that mulch is then brought over to this staging area where it is allowed to sit and age for a period of time. This is the new mulch. It is not aged yet. And it sits here for a period of time until it darkens. And this is the mulch, finished mulch, that is then distributed to the residents free of charge.
How long does it have to sit before it ages?
I believe it has to sit for about 2 weeks so it won't burn the plants.
Nothing's added, just sits.
Nothing's added. This is just natural plant material from the whole City of Ladue.
Do they pick up free of charge on the streets now?
They also pick up free of charge. The residents bring their mulch to the curb site, and the Department of Public Works comes around and picks it up.
Okay, I'm now walking up a concrete ramp where the trucks can back up and can dump their leaves.
That's
All
right,
David?
The City of Ladue will pick up leaves from the residents, and their vacuum trucks pick up the leaves and dump them off in this site. And the raw leaves are staged in this row over there. They have a windrow machine right here that lifts the leaves, turns them, and moves them into these rows where they're aged. And
what about the bags?
The bags, they have public department works people that tear the bags open and dump the leaves out, and then they discard the plastic.
Okay, so the plastic is not in there.
The plastic is not in there. They take the plastic out. They just want the leaf mulch.
And now the leaves are in here.
The leaves are turned and they are wetted so that the biologic activity will start the breakdown of the leaf. They also add some urea, and they take the temperature of the leaf mulch to make sure that they keep it turned at the optimum times to speed the breakdown of the leaf material.
Is this also made available to the residents?
This is also made available to the residents free of charge. So the residents have their choice of leaf mulch or wood mulch.